Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the bleach dispenser cap on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new bleach dispenser cap for your Whirlpool washer, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The bleach dispenser cap helps funnel bleach into the correct locations in the tub so that the bleach can mix properly with the water during the wash cycle. If the bleach dispenser cap breaks or cracks, it should be replaced. The bleach dispenser cap is located here under the washer's lid. The bleach dispenser cap is held in place by two locking tabs on the underside of the top panel, located here and here. Reaching under the top panel, find the two tabs and press them and press up on the cap. Then tilt the cap to get the funnel through the top panel. If you need to purchase a new bleach dispenser cap, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on the washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align this tab on the bleach dispenser cap to this tab on the top panel. Then slide it under the top panel and press it into place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.